Offices and freelancers. I bet you have a folder like this too. 500 contracts, 1,200 pages, and every free PDF website wants you to upload them one by one to their server. Uploading contracts to a random website is a liability. Page limits, watermarks, and your documents sitting on somebody else's disk. So here's the same fix for PDFs, a terminal tool that handles the whole folder in one command, entirely on your machine. Merge 500 contracts into one document. Pull the text out of every invoice at once. Compress for email, all with 3 short commands. Merge, split, compress, extract text, rotate, and password protect every job in batch, recursive. It's called pdfpress. $12. Once, no subscription. Link in the description. And if a colleague is still merging PDFs one by one,